guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make something for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is less than 2 months at this point, and I thought it's time to create some awesome Thanksgiving options for you, what you can have on your Thanksgiving dinner and you don't have to feel deprived from anything. We are going to make a zucchini casserole, and this is what we're gonna get done. Super easy to make, very delicious and great option on a Thanksgiving dinner. If you are new to my channel, on this channel I do recipe videos just like this one, and I share my weight loss journey with keto and intermittent fasting and share my tips. And I am also a certified keto health coach. If you need tailor-made one-on-one coaching, then go to our website, sign up, and we can book in a time with me. And this is what I do generally. If you like what you see here, hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my video. And before we head to this video, I want to talk about something very special to my heart. This is a charity campaign for Christmas for me on this channel. That is a charity I support for quite some time, every month with a donation. This is a non-profit organization, and they specialize on educating children and young adults on drugs and what drugs actually do to you. And this is something very close to my heart because when I was a teenager in college, then I saw two girls in a party who were totally stoned by drugs. They were highly undressed in this party because they just took off their clothes, and they were so out of control, and they just lied on the floor and people almost stepped on them. And that was something when I saw, I was like, I am never ever gonna take any drugs because I don't want to be in this position. And since I have kids, I don't want them to be in that position. So if it's something close to your heart regarding kids and drugs and drug addiction, then this is a great project. They are educating people, they go to school giving great lectures, and they are going not just in Sweden, they are going abroad to the Scandinavian countries. They have been in the US, Caribbean, Hungary, Czech Republic, and many other countries. They are working on a big global project to get the materials in different languages to different countries, and they are in work for 25 years. It's really a great organization, and I decided this year I am gonna support them even more. So if you want to give charity anything this year, or you are thinking about this, then please support this charity. It's really close to my heart. I put their website and a PayPal account to them in the description box below, and then you can just make your donation and support this. And don't forget, it's very important to educate kids early enough about these things. But that well said, let's head to the video now and let's make our Thanksgiving casserole. And thank you for listening to this story. And now I will show you how to make this awesome meal. As I always say, first step, preheat your oven to 175 degrees and that much Fahrenheit exactly. And for the ingredients, you need a little bit of xanatan gummy just to make it thick enough, cream, 1 onion, garlic, mozzarella, bacon, 2 eggs, more mozzarella shredded away, and 2 zucchinis, and of course a tray and a bowl to mix things together. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay, wash your zucchinis, and then we just gonna slice them up. This is good size, that much. Okay, now you need your tray, and we just gonna place this in the tray. And if there is space, just cut them half and then fill up the holes. Very good. Now I will put some little salt and pepper. Just a hint of pepper like this. Don't make it too strong. A little bit of salt. Very good. And now you sprinkle some mozzarella all over like this. Very good. Now we will set this aside a little bit. And now I will slice up this red onion. Very good. And then we take this back, and I will just put a few slices of onion here and there. Very good. And now we will do another layer of the zucchinis on top. Very good. And I will just try to squeeze in these few slices. I will even cut them half and then just place them into the little holes where it fits the best. Very good. And now I will throw on some more onions here. Very nice, this how it looks. And now I will sprinkle on more shredded mozzarella. Exactly like this, all over. Very good. And now we will make the sauce to this. You need a bowl, 1.5 cup of heavy cream. Okay, this is like half a cup. Good. We will add a pinch of this Jonathan gummy to make it a bit more sticking together. Very good. And now we will divide the eggs and we will just use the egg yolks. And if you feel this is wasting too of your egg whites, don't worry. If you have a dog, you can give it to your dog, because the dog's hair becoming very nice and shiny and healthy from egg yolks. Okay, good. 2 egg yolks in this. And now we will add 2 garlic cloves. So I will press 2 garlic cloves into the mixture. Or if you like it even more garlicky, you can even go with 3, totally fine. Okay, good. So here is 3 of the garlic cloves. Very good. I will give a hint of pepper to this, just like this. And just a hint of salt. That's it. And we will mix this up. Okay, now we will mix this up. Very good. This is done. And now you just take your tray and equally spread the sauce all around. Very good. This how it looks so far. And of course it will let a little bit of liquid, the zucchini itself, when it's gonna be in the oven. And now we are going to add some more mozzarella and of course bacon on top. We're just gonna slice this up and just place it to different spots. Very good, you can see it's all over. And now I will just put on the top the bacons. Okay, and the bacon, you just place it on the top. Just imagine the bacon with the melted cheese and the little bit fried and cooked zucchinis and the garlic and the cream. It's gonna be epic. Very good, this how it looks like. It's beautiful. And now we will cover the top before we put it into the oven. Okay, so this is in for 20 minutes and we are going to check on it. It smells amazing, I have to tell you that. Okay, this is how it looks. And now I took off the foil from the top. And we will just put that in for another 15 minutes and get a nice crispy brownie topping. And I even gonna put it up to 200 Celsius at this point and just leave it in for this 15 minutes. Okay, so the other 15 minutes is over, but I am not super happy at how the bacon looks like. So I will leave it in for 5 more minutes and then I get back to you when the bacon is really crispy on top. And you should bake this until you get your bacon right. Okay, I am quite happy with our casserole. And this how it looks. The bacons are just perfect. So now I will take it out, I will let it cool, and then we're gonna taste it together. Okay, and now we will take a slice from this zucchini casserole. It smells amazing, just you to know. And this is how it looks, and I will top it off with a little sour cream. I put a little chive on top just to make it prettier. And here you go. This is how it looks. Okay guys, now we're gonna try it. I think it looks amazing and smells really good. And let's see. Amazing. Really, really good. And the cheese is amazing. It's a very nice warm meal. I can totally see that on Thanksgiving when you are gathering with the family. It's really warm and nice and so comforting. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my charity project. And see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.